Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to play Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege with Xbox players on PC. The capacity to play across many platforms has grown to be a sought-after feature in the constantly increasing realm of online gaming. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege is one such game that has won the hearts of millions of players. Siege has a devoted following on Xbox and PC thanks to its challenging tactical gameplay and exciting online engagements. This thorough tutorial will provide you with the information. In this section, we will explore the world of cross-platform gaming in Rainbow Six Siege. On Xbox, enable play across several platforms. Navigate to settings on your Xbox, then choose account, then privacy and online safety, and finally Xbox Live Privacy. From there, select View Details and customize next to Communications and Multiplayer. Make sure the option that says you can play with people outside of Xbox Live is selected and active. You can connect your Xbox account to Ubisoft by going to the website for Ubisoft Connect, creating an account there, and then connecting your Xbox Live account to Ubisoft Connect. On PC, make sure you sign up for Ubisoft Connect. If you do not have an account, you will need to visit the Ubisoft Connect website in order to establish one. Connect your account on your computer to Ubisoft Connect. Start Rainbow Six Siege on your computer. When prompted, link your Ubisoft Connect account. You need to make sure that cross-platform play is enabled on both your Xbox and your personal computer before you can get started on your cross-platform adventure. You may activate cross-platform play option on Xbox by going to the settings menu. Select account and selecting options. When playing on a PC, check to see if the game has the most recent update and if you are connected to your Ubisoft account. Both Xbox and PC versions of Siege require unique control configurations in order to play. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.